Discover a whole new way of cooking with the Philips Essential Airfryer. Designed by our team of experts who have spent over 10 years perfecting air fryer technology, this innovative kitchen appliance opens up a world of culinary possibilities. With its unique and patented Starfish design, the air fryer uses hot air to cook your food to perfection, resulting in crispy and delicious dishes with up to 90% less fat. Say goodbye to greasy and unhealthy fried foods, and embrace a healthier cooking alternative without compromising on taste. Let's dive into the features and benefits of the Philips Essential Air Fryer. Here are the key features of Philips 3000 series air fryer. Superior cooking performance with the Starfish design. The Philips Essential Air Fryer features a unique and patented Starfish design, which ensures fast and even cooking results. By swirling hot air throughout the cooking chamber, this technology exposes all sides of the food to constant and circulating heat. The result: delicious and crispy dishes that are cooked to perfection, both on the outside and tender on the inside. Experience superior cooking performance that will delight your taste buds. Versatility to grill, roast, bake, and reheat. The air fryer is not limited to just frying. It offers a range of cooking functions, including grilling, roasting, baking, and even reheating. With this versatile appliance, you can prepare a wide variety of dishes to satisfy your cravings. From crispy French fries to succulent grilled chicken and mouth-watering baked goods, the possibilities are endless. Expand your culinary repertoire and experiment with new flavors and recipes. Digital touchscreen and presets for easy cooking. The Philips Essential Air Fryer features a user-friendly digital touchscreen interface that makes cooking a breeze. With 7 preset cooking options, you can easily select the ideal temperature and cooking time for various foods. Whether you're cooking fries, chicken, fish, or vegetables, the air fryer takes the guesswork out of the equation, ensuring consistent and delicious results every time. Additionally, the Keep Warm function ensures that your food stays ready to serve whenever you're ready to eat. Compact design with generous capacity. Despite its compact size, the Philips Essential Air Fryer offers a generous capacity, allowing you to cook up to 4 portions of food at once. With a 1.8 pounds capacity, you can easily prepare meals for your entire family or gatherings with friends. The compact design saves valuable counter space, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. Philips Kitchen app for endless culinary inspiration. Enhance your cooking experience with the Philips Kitchen app. By downloading this app, you can unlock the full potential of your Philips air fryer. Discover hundreds of tasty recipes, ranging from appetizers to main courses and desserts. Explore features that support and strengthen your cooking skills, enabling you to prepare healthy homemade meals with ease. Expand your culinary repertoire and become a master chef in your own kitchen. Conclusion: experience the joy of delicious and healthy cooking with the Philips Essential Air Fryer. With its innovative Starfish design, versatile cooking functions, and user-friendly features, this kitchen appliance revolutionizes the way you prepare meals at home. Enjoy crispy and tender dishes without the guilt of excessive oil and fat. The compact design and generous capacity make it perfect for families and gatherings. Unlock endless culinary inspiration with the Philips Kitchen app and embark on a journey of flavorful and nutritious homemade meals. Invest in the Philips Essential Air Fryer and elevate your cooking experience to new heights.